Hello friends. Today I will give an idea about Houston Maritime Attorney. So let's get started. Houston Maritime Attorney. Houston Maritime Law. Houston Maritime Attorney. A maritime attorney is a legal professional who focus on helping those people who have experienced injuries, accidents, and wrongful deaths caused by recreational and commercial maritime accidents. The types of activities at that maritime attorneys may conduct including trying case in court, drafting documents, negotiating agreements, and handling complaints about injuries or illness caused by various types of uh, marine vessel or sea craft, as well as companies dumping hazardous waste in life into the sea. Houston Maritime Law. The location of the Houston Law Office is a place to handle a variety of Houston Maritime Law matters. Houston Office is located in the largest economic center in the Gulf Coast region, which also is known for the port of Houston Ship Channel. Houston Maritime Law attorneys provide experience in a wide variety of cases, including cargo carriers disputes, oil spills, and water pollution claims. So the Liner Leon firm was among the first law firm to file a class action lawsuit against major company BP after the uh, deepwater horizon oil rig explosion and subsequent oil spill in 2010. Houston Maritime Law Attorneys filed this lawsuit in order to represent several hundred clients whose livelihoods were affected by the spill. Houston Maritime Law Attorneys provide evidence and knowledge of marital legal matters. Text ports handle about 565 million tons of cargo. The port of Houston, port of Texas cities, and port of Galveston or play direct roles in the economy of both the state and the nation. It does huge amounts of imports and exports pass through these vital seaports. The next step, the maritime Houston injuries lawyers, the responsibility has been taken by employer to minimize risks of injury while labor is working on boats, and risks and inherently physical work and injuries can do happen. If you have experienced an onshore of offshore injury, the Houston Maritime lawyers can help many times. Houston Maritime is expert Jones Act attorneys, and it has helped hundreds of credits place Jones Act claims over the years and get compensation. They need to ensure their families are protected financially. There are some common absurd injuries. Uh, That is the list of injuries common among seamen and other maritime workers is long, but the following are some of the most serious injuries that can happen while working at sea. Uh, for example, a broken finger, hand, arm, leg, foot, or back burns. Number two, compartment syndrome. Number three, crushed finger, hand, arm, leg, or foot. Uh, Deep cut or laceration. Number 5, drawing or near drawing. Number 6, injury back or neck, including herniated discs and stents. Number 7, loss of limb. Number 8, lung problems including pleural diseases. Number 9, torn muscles, ligaments or tendons. Number 10, toxic chemical exposure. Last, number 11, traumatic brain injury. The injuries can end the career of a sailor, a seaman of other maritime worker due to the physical demands of working at sea. When you are unable to work, you and your family could suffer serious financial problem. If you have been injured, you do not have to wait for your insurance company to settle your claim, or your employer to given to the compensation you deserve. You need a team of professional local maritime attorneys to fight to your rights and get you what you need for your full recovery. If you or a member of your family has been seriously injured as a result of a maritime accident or offshore injury, the maritime accidents attorneys at your Jones Act law firm urge you to contact us for legal advice to ensure you get all of the compensation to which you and your family members are entitled. Why maritime accident is different? Because a unique set of laws applies to maritime injuries. There are several times laws might apply in a maritime claim that do not apply to accident on land. Sometimes we can see referred to as admiralty laws. They are designed to protect specific situation and employees. We can see sometimes some injuries that occurs dockside, like while unloading container ships at port. Houston fell under maritime law. Now we will discuss on to why hire a Houston maritime lawyer. Uh, Basically, we know that maritime laws are complex. Let attorney Chris and his team help you in understand the legal concept. Walk you through the process to get all the compensation you deserve. This could be what gets you paid. You paid the time you missed and able to pay the medical bills that continue to pour in. Friends, Houston Maritime Accidents Lawyer have extensive experience in this field and to do no left the clients be shortchanged. The team of award winning lawyers has the knowledge, experience, and resource to win even the most challenging maritime cases. Whether the seaman injured on a ship at sea, on oil rig, or Port Houston, it's a network of the best medical engineering and maritime industry experts in the nation. Maritime has proud on their teamwork and has a track record of representing people injured while working in the hazardous maritime industry. Guys, now we will discussion to about of Houston Maritime Attorney will. Number one, uh, Houston Maritime Attorney will help you complete the accident report for your employer. Number two, determine whether you are a seaman under the Jones Act. Number three, confirm the status of the